Hi there, this is Anna Brandt. I wanted to give you a teeny tiny tutorial on my new mini textures. Or floral textures. There's 40 floral textures in this package and I just love them. They're just gorgeous. And the reason why I really love them is because in Evoto you can use them to drag and drop your images. Now, if you want to put them in Photoshop, if you want to put them in Lightroom, you can do that as well. They're high res and they should print just fine. In Evoto, if you don't have Evoto, you definitely should check it out. In Evoto, you can see the before and after. This is what it looked like before and after, and I'm going to do this one right now. All you do is once you've finished editing, just go onto the backdrop changer, and all you have to do is hit plus, and once you download these, you can just kind of go through them and figure out which one you want to add to your image. And that's usually the hardest part, is figuring out which one do I want to add. I think I want to add this one. Once you add it, you just click on it, and what you're going to do is then you want to decide, do I do center alignment? And then I think I want to do that, and I think I'm just going to increase the size. You want to come down here and make sure to retain shadows so you have shadows in the appropriate places. You could move it up or down. You could move it left or right. Make sure that you're using it with the right lighting direction. You could always flip the image before you brought it in here. But it's very simple. Literally, this is why I love Evoto so much, is because that took less than 30 seconds, right? You can look at all of the different blending modes, the shadows, all of that, the opacity. You could make it less, you could make it more. And it's that simple. As I said, you can use them in Photoshop, you can use them in Lightroom, they'll work just fine. But if you're not used to Evoto, you've got to check it out, because come on, this just took seconds to do. Anyway, hopefully you enjoy my new floral textures. There's 40 high-res images. Enjoy.